If anyone's ever wondering how many Dumbos they let in one elevator.
You're so funny.
Yeah, so funny.
Did you fill up the elevator last Dumbo?
I didn't say I wasn't a part of it. Feeling guilty now?
You look good.
Lessons, oh my god.
You need some bowling lessons.
Well, I got red and blue with me. Yeah.
Oh, and white. American flag.
Yeah. Put that away.
We got a 3-game no tap. How many balls are going in the building?
At least 12.
Wait, actually?
I don't know. I never bowled here on the China.
So how many are we bringing in?
I don't know.
Come on, just say a number.
12.
Okay, 12.
2 bags is whatever.
12 for a
practice
9-pin
session.
no
It's
tap
a
tournament.
$30 practice session.
Okay. Oh wow.
See? It was a bright idea.
Alright, this is where AJ and Nate drop all their money. There's 12 big boards. What did I miss? I think AJ has the front. I've been yapping my mouth. AJ's got the front 7. Nate already has 1 miss. Alrighty.
Let's go, Reaper! Let's go! Come on, man!
Hey, well, you bet your ass I'm striking all day tomorrow. You what? You bet your ass I'm striking all day tomorrow.
Almost. Damn it.
Fuck, man. Come on, man.
What do you like to say about that shot? Why is your tongue out?
It's not as good as your fries.
Oh, okay. How many shots have you had tonight?
None, I have 2 drinks.
Uh-huh.
Babysitting that, by the way.
I'm waiting for you to get us a shot.
No, this is my shot. My tea over here.
Shot of cheese.
Yeah,
Shot of cheese
there you go.
sauce.
That's it.
Smart man.
Oh, God damn it, I'm out of here. This is a terrible pain. Don't see the girls and not so many practice. Don't forget your Charlie truffles.
Well, it's a good thing it's still a strike. You cheated.
Congratulations on your first.
Thank you.
You missed a couple. This 900 doesn't count, by the way.
I can't get it out. I can't get it out.
He can't get it out. He's stuck in the hole.
I've been
I'll
told
see a
that.
few 300.
Get it out of the hole.
There's a couple. No one can get a real striker. Come on the other side of the house.
Come on. Let's go. Oh my God, was he nervous? Did I make you nervous?
What the hell is he doing?
I made him nervous. Oh,
That's right.
Get a house ball.
we got the first 5, 7, 10.
Well, I guess so pretty. Get 2 at least. 0! My. Thank God it's pretty. What a good husband. Freaking numb that finger, that thumb. I don't want to miss it.
Nice. What's it like to actually be able to bowl a tournament?
Wow. What's it like to have this guy as my coach?
He's your coach?
My coach.
Oh, I thought you said girlfriend at first. I was like, oh.
We don't publicize. Don't worry about that. Don't worry
Oh,
about
how many is that?
it. 1. 1 too many. Put a 0
One,
at the end
two.
of it.
100. He doesn't even know how many fingers he's holding up at this point.
Maybe 2.
Sean asked me what ball to throw. Wow, weird. We got the front 8.
I've never had 8 in a row ever.
I know. This is the first
I'm
time.
nervous right now.
listen to me more.
I think I gotta go to bed.
He's so cute. Alright, Gerard, you show him what's up. Okay, then after you sit down, you show him what's up.
Wow. Don't do it, no.
Come on, I need it. I need it. Oh my god.
They all like that when it does it. They all get excited.
Oh. Still alive. No. Wow, I wonder who told you to throw that ball.
That wasn't your best.
Nice shot.
Stop it. I'm Prince Dustin, baby. Let's freaking go.
You know, you're going to need more than that tomorrow.
Julio, whatever his name is.
He doesn't care.
People listening. There's 20 people listening. You call me racist.
What's all in the wrist? Sean, what's all in the wrist? What's all in the wrist since this is the Sean Riccardi vlog? What do you do with your wrist?
I need a deleted scene. Yeah, the way.
Did she strike? Oh, we got a 9. There we go.
Yeah. 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Stop.
Proud husband moment.
It's on the wrist. Oh! Wow!
Sean Riccardi on that one.
Would you like to do a third quarter check-in? How are we feeling?
Kind of halftime report.
I
We're doing
can't
all
hear
right.
you.
We're doing all right. We shot 278 game 1. Not good. But we're gonna do better this game. AJ hasn't missed yet. It's great.
That's why you
Keep that
bring him
going.
here, right?
Keep that going.
He drove through all the snow to get here.
Exactly. Oh, please. Damn it.
It's like a 7-pin top one.
Get it! Yes! Oh my, oh
See
my.
that 7-pin phone?
Yeah, he almost tried to force 710 on that. Nate, how nervous were you?
This is gonna be.
Mr. Coach Riccardi got him lined up.
Pins are flying all over the place on this shot.
Okay.
Walk away. Walk away. Oh! That man right there.
Alright, 300! Ball change. I told him to throw the road wire. We just cut him off.
I'm trying to be responsible.
He's cut him. He's cut off.
My God.
You gotta have that one responsible person.
That's hard. Just for him. Because Gerard ain't got to be in here now to
Turn that off right now.
Sydney, Sharon, Waldon. He got a shirt. He's talking shit over there. Crafts!
Oh, God, Tyler. Oh, my God. He's
Don't
not
feel
gonna-
alive. Right.
All right, here we go. Here we go. And alright, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work.
Thinking about line. Hey, be careful.
look at the Road Warrior, and there it is, another ball rep selection. I'm just over here ball repping it. Look at this.
What did you say?
You're gonna have to pay me to go on the 50 tour.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it looked good. All right, we got the Crusher hybrid right there, looking pretty good. How is this all organized?
Let's go, fellas.
Oh, so cute. That's so cute.
Black guy smile so I can see.
This is no tap, but everyone says we don't need that right now. This man just did the worst shot. Like he went through the face. Sorry, I missed it. Shot, but I told everyone how awful.
It picked up really
No,
early.
you threw it
I
really
haven't
bad.
moved in 2 games.
You do not need a drink.
I'm finishing the.
What are you trying to say?
Your phone's dead.
Ma'am, he's slurring his words. He's slurring his words, and he said he needed another drink.
What's it like?
He goes, I need another drink, and then he couldn't talk. And I'm like,
I am. You cut me off already.
I'm gonna talk to the wife in a minute. You do it again.
Mom, cut me off.
Yeah. Yes.
that is one. Come on, Sydney. Road Warrior. There we go, from left to right, and okay. Well, lucky for you guys, I missed the bad shot. Now we're gonna see the good shot. I don't know if that was much better, and I guess it wasn't. And holy shit! Oh my god. Yeah, there he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. He's right there. This is the funny stuff that happens in the live. Someone said, bark out loud and I'll give you 100. Swear to God, we all did. All of us did. Where's our money? A wedgie. Someone give him a wedgie, please. Someone please give him a wedgie. Give him a wedgie. Come on, Sydney. You touch him at the hotel, but not in public? Gerard, give him a wedgie. Please give Nate a wedgie. Give Nate a wedgie. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, please.
Let's go! Oh, baby! Let's go, baby!
Please tell me he's smiling.
No.
Oh, damn.
I ain't scared of him when he's mad. I don't care.
Pull after that. Alright. Alright.
Superman Joe, Captain Underpants.
I got a little grumpy. Oh, I got a grumpy monkey on my hands over here.
Yeah, ready. He has a tattoo.
Alright, we got the carry.
Throw it harder!
AJ missed, and we got 287.
Open IB 481 561. Yes. No. 481.
I've been notes up. Sydney has natural front
Hiding.
10.
Hudson.
Got some natural udders?
Our resident
Huh?
local bowler.
Cow udders.
You got some natural cans?
Ricochet.
Alright, we got some natural cans
Very
in
nice.
here.
Hold this. Don't claim it later. Yes.
Oh, shit. Trying to take me out. My God.
That almost took you out.
Just took me out.
The sky's falling apparently.
I almost just died by that
Well, of course,
camera.
it's
Smallest person and
2, hopping. Everybody.
Alright, you're almost 5'10". What the hell? Okay, still 300. Awful.
Right here. Who?
Oh my
Tony
God.
Porter, is that you? Hunter, where are you going?
Alrighty.
Pay attention, folks. Over there, who? 480. Hey.
Would you like to tell me what you just said?
Bye.
AJ shot 874
Bye.
and didn't cash.
Next one.
Wow.
If I would have bowled, I would have shot 900.
That would,
9.
900 would have been like 8.
3.
They don't cash it?
041 973.
That's fun.